Hello guys, welcome back. I just decided to show people how to do the pivot. Okay, and this is my data, and I think you're gonna use it. So let's go. You select the entire data set like this, and then you go to insert pivot table, and then I don't have another worksheet, so I just go let it be a new sheet, and then it brings me to this part, and then I decided what did I need to do with the pivot table depending on what I want to do. And then this point, in this particular point, I need to see to filter the sea level rise, and I want it to be in the rows. So you could say that as the sea level goes by 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 5 meter, what is the impact on what? So I want to say, okay, on the population that is directly affected, and as you can see, this you could just change it depending on how you want it. I want it to be some, but still I don't want it to be too much decimal, so I'd rather just make it like 1 decimal. It's optional, it's depending on the requirement for you. So then you come back and then, okay, so now the data set looks more better than it was. Okay, and right here is just through this I could just by itself see like this is once the sea level rise just 1 meter is 2.9 million population around the world is affected directly. So is 2 3 4 5, you see, so you name it. And then I'll be like, so what happened to when sea level goes up by any meter of this? And I want to see the impact on the area that is inundated. So I went by percentage, obviously, though. So this is what you get. Again, this is the data from one website that I got, and it's earthpolicy.org, I guess. So I'm just using it so that people could see it. So now at this point, one could see it easily compared to this one, right? But you do it, and then you must see like you want to put it as a chart for someone to see it quickly. So I'm gonna use this, and it's this chart, or you wanna have it as stacked like this is up to you though, or you could do it as a pie or bars. Anyway, it's up to you. I just want to show you the impact. But so see right here, I decided just to have this one as a secondary access when it comes to percentage. So this is what it is, and just let's have this one. So this is how you do the chart right next to the pivot. So you could decide to design it like this. You want it to look like good, like anyhow you want, right? So basically that's what it is. And then if I had to do different pivots and the charts, I might need to analyze to just connect to the pivots and all that. So I'm just gonna stop here. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and you know when it comes to pivot what to just go and where and how to do it. Thank you guys, and don't forget to leave the comments and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.